Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today we discuss about what is vitamin C serum and benefits of vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is a skincare product that contains vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for the skin. Vitamin C are usually applied to the face before moisturizing. They can be used on all skin types, including sensitive and acne prone skin. Vitamin C serums are available in different concentrations. The concentration of vitamin C in a serum will determine how potent it is. For example, a vitamin C serum with a concentration of 20% or higher is considered to be very potent. Now we discuss about the benefits of vitamin C serum one by one. First of all, it helps reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin C serum contains powerful antioxidants that help to regenerate the skin, leaving it looking smooth and youthful. These serums work at a cellular level, penetrating deep into the skin to stimulate collagen production. Second benefit of vitamin C serum is brighten the skin tone. Vitamin C is a natural brightener and can help to brighten the skin tone. This is because vitamin C inhibits the production of melanin, which gives skin its color. In addition, vitamin C helps to stimulate collagen production, which gives skin elasticity and firmness. In this way, vitamin C serum can help to brighten the skin tone. Third, it improves the skin texture. Vitamin C can help to improve the skin texture by stimulating collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives skin its structure. Vitamin C also helps to minimize appearance of the pores and clear acne. As a result, vitamin C can help to improve skin texture and give you a more youthful appearance. Fourth, reduces sun damage. Vitamin C serum is a popular skincare product that is said to help reduce skin damage caused by an excess of sun exposure. It is an antioxidant, meaning it helps to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cell damage and are often created by exposure to ultraviolet light. Fifth, vitamin C serum help to minimize pores. Due to powerful antioxidant properties, it helps to minimize the appearance of pores on your skin. Vitamin C serum is an effective and affordable treatment for minimizing pores and improving overall skin health. Sixth, it helps clear acne and marks. Including vitamin C serum in your skincare routine is a highly effective treatment for acne and other skin marks. Because of its antioxidant properties, it works so well. Combining vitamin C with vitamin E can nourish the skin and promote cell regeneration. Seventh, it boosts collagen production. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that gives skin its texture. Vitamin C helps to stimulate the production of collagen, resulting in firmer, more elastic skin. In addition, vitamin C can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production. Eighth, delay early signs of aging. Including topical vitamin C serum in your skincare routine in your 20s can help delay early signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. Exposure to daily pollution and stress can put your skin under a lot of pressure, resulting in early fine lines, dullness, and roughness. Vitamin C help prevent and correct the damage caused by the external factors. Ninth benefit of vitamin C serum, reduce inflammation. Vitamin C serum has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce redness and swelling associated with acne breakouts. It can help to soothe irritated skin and calm inflammation caused by sun exposure or other environmental stressors. Using a vitamin C serum daily paired with vitamin E or hyaluronic acid can help your skin deal with dryness, resulting in soothed and plumped skin. 10th benefit of vitamin C serum treats roughness and dryness. Vitamin C serum is a powerful tool in the fight against dryness. This specialized formula contains key ingredients that help to promote skin hydration, supporting the cells and tissues of the skin to retain moisture and combat inflammation. By penetrating deep into the epidermis, vitamin C serum helps to address dryness at its source, repairing damaged tissues and restoring suppleness to the dry, cracked skin. In addition, vitamin C works synergetically with other compounds such as vitamin E and hyaluronic acid to provide relief from irritation, redness, itching associated with dry, flaky skin. Overall, vitamin C serum offers many benefits for individuals struggling with chronic dryness, making it a superior solution for this common problem. 11th benefit of vitamin C serum, it helps to treat uneven skin tone. By nourishing and regenerating the skin, vitamin C serum helps to even out discoloration while also promoting overall health and wellness. Whether you are looking to minimize the appearance of spots or simply reduce hyperpigmentation, vitamin C serum is an effective and affordable solution. These are the 11 major benefits of vitamin C serum. If you want to know more about vitamin C serum, like its daily use or effects of vitamin C serum and other more, please place your question in comments. I will make another video about this. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. See you soon inshallah in the next video.